which party was started by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar. And the Republican Party of India is a very old party because this party started on 3rd October 1957 in Nagpur in Maharashtra. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the architect of Indian Constitution. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. And when the Indian Constitution was accepted on 26 January 1950, before that Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was given the draft of the Indian Constitution to Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the chairman of Constitution Assembly, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister that time. And 26th November 1949, the draft was given to Rajendra Prasad and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And after 2 months, the 26th January 1950, we accepted the Indian Constitution. And that day we celebrating the Republic Day in India. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was started All India Scheduled Caste Federation Party. And 1952, there was the first election in India. And that time Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar contested the election in Mumbai. But Congress party defeated Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Mumbai. Then again, Baba Saheb Ambedkar contested the election in Bhandara near Nagpur in Maharashtra. That time also, Congress party defeated Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Bhandara. Therefore, Baba Saheb Ambedkar decided that only scheduled caste vote can't elect anybody. Because scheduled caste population is only 15% in all over India. And therefore, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was written one letter to Ram Manohar Lohia, who was the socialist leader. And Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted the Republican Party of India as the opposition party. Congress party was in the power, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wanted the RPI, Republican Party of India, only one party, and he wanted the two-party system in India, Congress party and Republican Party. But Baba Saheb Ambedkar died 6 December 1956, and therefore, after the death of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Republican Party of India was started. And Republican Party of India means scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, general category, Kshatriyas, Brahmins, minorities, Muslim minority, Christian minority, Sikh minority, Buddhist minority. Our party is also supporting all of them. And my party was in UPA when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister of India. That time my party was supporting the Congress party in Maharashtra. And I was elected in Lok Sabha 3 times, in 1998, 1999, 2004. And 4th time I contested the election in Shirdi in Maharashtra, but I was lost the election. Then 2014, my party supported the BJP on the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. And now my party is also in the National Democratic Alliance, NDA. Before that, my party was in UPA from 1998 to 2009. My party was with the Congress party in UPA. But now from 2014, my party is also with Narendra Modi ji. because Narendra Modi's slogan is Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. He wanted to support everybody. They may be from any community, any religion, and Narendra Modi is always saying that I want the development of everybody who is the citizen of India. I want to develop that particular family. And Narendra Modi's development program is also very fast, comparatively Congress party's rule. And now many national highways are really nice highways. Another near about 25 crore people come out from the poverty last 10 years. Our Indian economy is now number 4. When Narendra Modi ji became the Prime Minister, that time our economy was number 10. But now our economy is number 4. Number 1, US, America. Number 2, China. Number 3, Germany. And number 4, India is also there in economy. And our economy is also developing. Made in India's slogan is also very important of Narendra Modi ji. And therefore many small industrialists, big industrialists are also coming forward. And without industry there is no employment. Therefore our government wanted to support all the business people, and we are also creating the employment. Last time Narendra Modi has announced 10 lakh job in all over India, the government of India job. And Narendra Modi's government has given the 10% reservation to economic weaker section, because now 15% reservation is for scheduled caste, 7.5% reservation is for scheduled tribe, 27% reservation is for other backward classes, and now 10% reservation is given to them whose caste is not in the reserve category. They may be from a Brahmin community, they may be from Kshatriya community, they may be from Muslim community, they may be from Christian community. The 10% economic weaker section reservation is also going to benefit Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and all the community people. And this is also the best decision. And I am also going to appeal that here in Kerala, Honorable Vijayan is the Chief Minister of Kerala. He is from Communist Party, and he is also in the power last many years. Then I appeal to Honorable Vijayan ji, if the Vijayan will join the NDA, then that will be the very revolutionary decision. Because if the Honorable Vijayan ji, the Communist Party of India, will join the NDA, then definitely the more money will come to the Kerala, and the very nice development of the Kerala, the improvement of every village, improvement of every town, improvement of every family, and Narendra Modi will give the big package to Kerala also. Why I am going to appeal that? Because I am also with Congress party before 2014. But because of Narendra Modi's development plan, because of the Narendra Modi's Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, I joined the National Democratic Alliance. And when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, at that time the socialist leader, Mr. George Fernandez, Mr. Nitish Kumar, Mr. Sharad Yadav, Mamta Banerjee, and DMK party, Karunanidhi's party, and in Odisha, Biju Janata Dal. They all many parties in NDA, because the agenda of the NDA was a common agenda, development agenda. And therefore, I appeal Honorable Vijayanji. He will come and join our NDA. And in the coming assembly election, if the Vijayan and BJP will come together, then there should not be any problem for taking the power in Kerala. Otherwise, after 5 years, what is the Congress alliance?
UDF,
UDF.
UDF,
और ये
UDF and LDF.
UDF and LDF means because now LDF is in the power. No, now LDF is in the power, but after 5 years UDF is coming in the power. Then LDF is coming in the power. After 5 years the government is changing. But if the Honorable Vijayan and BJP will come together, then definitely again Vijayan will become and he will also become the Chief Minister of Kerala. That is also my appeal. What decision he think about that? Because the Communist Party is also opposing the BJP, the agenda of the BJP. But I appeal to the Communist Party: you don't oppose the development plan. You oppose the BJP, but you don't oppose development plan. And Narendra Modi's plan is also development plan, and therefore this will be also very revolutionary decision of the Communist Party. The socialist parties are also joining the NDA. Then why the Communist Party is not going to join the NDA? I joined the NDA. Then why Communist Party is not going to join the NDA? Then many leaders are also joining the NDA now. And therefore, that is also my appeal. And my party is Honorable Raju Menon. He is also film actor. He is also film director. And last time he is originally from Palakkad. And he is now staying in Delhi also. But he is also from Malayalam man. And he joined my party. He is not a Dalit, he is not from the Dalit community, but he joined my party, and he is also the national secretary of my party. And Nusrat Jahan, she is also very strong lady, very revolutionary lady. She is from a minority community, but she also joined my party last 7-8 years back. And now I am also going to our क्या पोली प्रेसिडेंट का नाम क्या है ये पहला प्रेसिडेंट व्हाट इज द नेम our president?
Which one? Here, like Iqbal Khanna. Iqbal Khanna, old president.
Iqbal. And one Mr. Iqbal Khanna, he was our state president. But now he is not very active because I have given the responsibility to Iqbal Kallanji. But he is something a businessman and he has no time to work in the party. Therefore, I have taken the decision that Nusrat Jahan, she is also running the NGO also. She is also very active. Last time he contested the Lok Sabha election on the RPI's name, no? As independent, and now I am going to announce her name as a Kerala State President of RPI, Republican Party of India, and the women power, because now our government has given the decision to give the 1/3 reservation to women in Lok Sabha and Assembly, Parliament and Assembly, and therefore the main committee's State President Nusrat Jahan will be work as a state president of RPI, and on the leadership of Nusrat Jahan, in the future our party will be something developed in all over the state, and therefore I announced her name. And today I came here one volleyball match is also there, and Mr. Raju Menon award, no? Raju Menon trophy Raju Menon Trophy will be given to the winner team, and therefore they invited me here. And one program of RPI leaders, RPI workers, arranged here in Kannur. And Kannur is also very important the district. And first time, sometime I came in the airport, but I have not came in the city. But first time I came in the Kannur, and I am also going to talk with you. Then my views I have given to you. Any questions you ask me. क्या अगर केरला में बताओ मलयालम में जो मैं बोला है थोड़ा बोलो हाँ
Pinarayi Vijayan to NDA. Are you inviting Pinarayi Vijayan to NDA?
Yes, I am inviting because the socialist leaders joined the NDA last time. Then why Communist Party is not going to join the NDA for the development of the country? And now all the world is also going to see that Narendra Modi ji is the very popular leader in the world. Because last time there was one survey, and in that survey near about 70% non-Indian people, non-Indian means another countries, leaders, supported the name of Narendra Modi ji, and near about 70% countries supported Narendra Modi's name as a world famous leader, popular leader. Therefore, I appeal that for the development of the country, we want to come together. In our India, there is a democracy, and which party will get the majority, they will come in the power. Last time Congress party was 67 years, Congress party was in the power because Congress party is also getting the majority. But now, last 2014, on the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, our NDA is also coming in the power. And now the BJP and NDA is also increasing in South India also, because in Kerala BJP win 1 seat, in Telangana BJP win 8 seats, then in Andhra Pradesh 21 seats BJP and TDP and Pawan Kalyan they win 21 seats, near about 30 seats from South India. Now they are supporting the NDA, and now we want to increase the seats in the future. Today I met one Nair, and he contested the Lok Sabha election here last time in 2014, and he got near about 1,25,000 votes. Means, but that elected member was near about 3 lakhs. But now the many people are also supporting the BJP NDA. Therefore, I appeal that there is no problem to join we are not going to merge our party in the BJP, but our party will be a separate party, but for the common minimum agenda, common minimum program. Everybody is also joining the NDA, and therefore the CPM and CPI, I appeal them to come and join NDA also.
So in upcoming next election, how many seats will RP will win?
Yeah.
In upcoming election, how many seats you will contest in next election? RP will contest the forthcoming election.
Lok Sabha election, how many RPA will contest?
Lok Sabha Assembly election.
Assembly election, I will discuss with our NDA also, and many Congress people will join the BJP in before the election. Many people are also interested to join the BJP, and in the assembly election, BJP will be a very strong party, and I will try that RPI will be the one of the member of the NDA here, because RPI is a member of the NDA in Delhi also, in Maharashtra, but in Kerala, I will try to join our party in the NDA, and Therefore, we will see that how many seats, because we will.
With the NDA, BJP leaders in Kerala, with the seat sharing and other like things.
Seat sharing.
Uh,
About the seat sharing, any discussion
no, there is no any discussion, but now I am giving the power to Menanji and Anusrata Jaha. They will talk with the BJP leaders, and all the BJP leaders knows both of them. Then some people, how you 10 seats we can try. How you 10 seats. We will not demand more seats because our party is now a new party, small party, but in the future my party will be the big party. And now I am telling that my party's unity is near about 28 states and 8
Union
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 eight union territories, and my party's 2 MLAs are in Nagaland. My party is also recognized in Manipur, and if my party will be recognized another 2 states, then my party will be the national party status. And now BJP is number 1, Congress party is number 2, BSP is number 3, and Aam Aadmi party is number 4. Only 4 parties are a national party. The CPI is not a national party.
You have done any discussion with the NDA leaders, BJP leaders, but you are calling the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to NDA. How can it be possible?
No, possible means every time that is not possible, but if they take the decision, then that is possible. Because I am appealing that the socialist leaders join the NDA, then why the communists are not going to join the NDA? George Fernandez was a very strong socialist leader.
The CPM is opposing NDA and BJP, their ideology.
No, ideology is all right. Ideology is separate ideology because every party has a right in the democracy. Because BJP is also supporting Hindu community, but our government is not opposing the minority community because our government has started the Jan Dhan Yojana. Near about 56 crore accounts are there. In Mudra Yojana, 57 crore people get the benefit, and all the schemes the Muslims are there. The 10% reservation is also not only Hindu community, that Muslim community, Christian community also, already I have told you. Therefore, that is not possible, I know that. But at that time, my decision was also not possible. But I have taken the decision to support the BJP and support NDA. Therefore, this is my opinion. I don't know if you will join or not join. But my appeal is for the development of the country, development of the Kerala state. That is my view. So the mic regular.
So you are admitting, as a minister and an ally of NDA, you are admitting that only NDA ruling state will get benefited from center. So you are inviting Pinarayi to NDA. So you are also admitting that.
you are telling that only NDA ruling state are supported by center. Is it that because you are inviting CPM to NDA?
No, I am inviting for the development of the Kerala because we want the development of the Kerala, we want the development of the every family, we want to develop the farmers here, the laborers here, Sapai Mazdoors here, and industrialist people also here. And therefore, our opinion is that we want to develop the Kerala state. And therefore, I appeal that because that is my opinion. They will accept or not, I don't know, but my appeal is also there. If we want to strong the Kerala, we want to strong the people of the Kerala, then sometimes the ideology will be something separate ideology, but only for the development agenda. We want to come together. That is also my suggestion.
So what are the new projects?
Our government is also supporting all states. If here there is no government of NDA, no government of BJP, but our money is also coming every state. We are not going to not giving the money to Kerala. That is not correct, because every scheme, our money is also coming here. My ministry's budget is 1,58,000 for this year, means last year. Then my money is also coming every state. There is no meaning of any party's government. Therefore, every scheme, the money is also coming to the every state, and the vision is not with NDA. Therefore, our money is not coming here. That is not correct. But if they will come to the NDA, then he will give the he will demand. Then definitely our Prime Minister will accept his demand. Therefore, our money is also coming. Not money is coming because the highway, the national highways are also, money is coming for the irrigation, money is also coming. Many schemes, our money is also coming. Yeah.
What are the new projects to be implemented to raise the status of the economically and weaker section of
New projects for the weaker section.
A new project is the state government will appeal that. State government will give the new project.
State, central government, what is the new thing?
No, central government new things means we want to develop this state, then industrial development will appeal to the big industrialists, Adani, Ambani, Mahindra, Tata, and another big companies. They will go there and they start their projects there, and government will help them. Then the employment will be great here. That is also our appeal to all the industrialist people. Okay? Okay, thank you. Chalo.